Hey y'all, I love a good crochet style. Quick, cute, and no stress. But does this QVR kinky curly crochet hair live up to the hype? Let's get into it. So I did my braid pattern off camera because let's be real, that takes time. But here's what it looks like. Now let's install these T2/30 curls and see what they're giving. Straight out the pack, the curls were okay, but I could tell they would look even better once styled and defined. The T2/30 color, it's cute, and the hair is lightweight, so I won't have to worry about my scalp crying for help. The hair is held together by a piece of thread, and this is how you are going to attach the extensions to your braid pattern. You just simply put the hook through, you're going to open the latch hook, then you're going to put the extension on where the thread is, close the latch hook, and then you pull it through. I'm going to take one section of the hair and I'm going to pull that through the loop that I just made, and that keeps it secure. If you can find a different way of, like, I guess, double looping it twice, I would highly recommend it, because although I only lost a few extensions, I feel like if I was able to find a different method of keeping it in, I guess, more securely, I wouldn't have lost any. But to be honest with you guys, the real struggle was getting to the hair. These extensions weren't packaged in the best way, so when I tried to unravel them, the knots kind of just said, no, and just got tighter. So at some point, I just had to let it go. Like, y'all, I just didn't have the time. I really didn't. Now we come to maintenance. Y'all, tell me why I forgot human hair requires work. Be prepared to tend to this hair. I had to detangle it regularly to avoid knotting, and water definitely helped. Just be sure not to use too much product because that will end up weighing your curls down, so just try to keep it light. The good news though is that my hair looked really good during my vacation. If you don't mind a little bit of maintenance, you can get away with getting in the pool, getting in the ocean. You just have to remember to wash your hair afterwards because it's human hair. It's expensive, so it deserves the proper care. Oh, and let me tell you guys, this is some big hair. If you're not used to a lot of volume, consider using fewer extensions during the install or opt for shorter extensions. You don't want to waste the hair, and honestly, I had to keep cutting it until I found the level of big hair that I was comfortable wearing and maintaining, so just keep that in mind. Overall thoughts, I really like this hair. I love the color, the curls, and the lightweight feel, and even though it did require some maintenance, it wasn't too bad. I thought it was awesome. The only thing I would say is just the packaging needs to be improved, but that should be an easy fix for the brand. So what do you guys think? Would you try it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love these hair reviews. See you guys in the next one.